This is Allo, and today we will be opening or unboxing ZTE A3 2020 version. Now, I have already set up the phone and play on the phone and put on something. So, if I'm only touch the phone on the case, so whatever else in the box, me don't know. So let's do it. So this phone will be my phone for the next 2 years or so. No, I did not want this phone, but in Jamaica, the tariffs and the something to ship a phone from foreign to here is very, very expensive. So I have to work with one I budget phone them, which is this ZTE A3 2020 version. It has a 5.45 inch screen LCD with the 18:9 aspect ratio. It has 1 gig of RAM, a 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor, and it's running Android 9. Let me see if it is running Android 9. Yes, it's running Android 9. So yeah, and it has 32 gig of space and 1 gig of RAM, unfortunately. So this will be my daily driver for probably the next 2 years or so, if God spare my life. So yeah, put this phone aside. I'll look on it. Look nice. Put aside and looking at the box. We get a user manual or a start guide. We get a micro USB cable. We get a charging brick. At least we get a charging brick. Look on them iPhone 12 people there. Them are gonna hardly see this in the box. And we get earphone. Wait, we get an earphone. So that means we have a headphone jack, right? Yeah, we have a headphone jack. So yes, this phone will be my daily driver, as I said before, for the next 2 years. Hopefully it perform well for me. So probably this I could play the rest of the Shadow Fight 2 video them. So yeah, look nice. So yes, that's been a quick unboxing of a ZTE A3 2020. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Press the notification bell after you subscribe. Share this video. And I see you all next time.